Good evening. I'm going to try to make a patch for that wheel on the WD. This is where the valve stem will go. This is where the flat spot for the valve stem hole. I'll see later it'll work. That looks fairly close. Let's see what the... Yeah, it looks about right on this side. Now I'll cut it out and then make it fit the hole. This is a wheel that other good tire come off of. There, I guess. Now, all I gotta do is trim that to size and make the hole to size and then glue it together. Alright, that's enough for now. I had to cut out another piece. Listen, I cut the wrong side off. For some reason or other, I was trying to put it on there upside down. Look there. It's fairly close upside down, but I cut the wrong side off. Alright, I'll get this one whittled down, get the hole about the right size, and it goes on like that. I'll get it figured out. Alright, that's enough for now. I'll get to it. Let's see, can't hardly see it. Alright, there it is. Got my new patch made. Pretty decent looking. Put a line around the outside of it. Now I'm going to have to cut it out just a little bit smaller, and we'll see whether it fits. And then we'll modify it from there. Alright, I'll get that done and we'll see what happens. I got it fairly close. I think I can weld them gaps shut and not have too much grinding to do after that. Alright, we'll get it done here in a minute. Well, I've got it welded in. Didn't have it turned up hot enough to start with and kind of made a mess of it, so had to re-weld it. Now I've got to do a lot of grinding and make it look pretty. We'll get to it. There it is. All patched and painted. Not the best, but good enough, I think. I don't know. Maybe I better touch that up a little more right there. Yeah, it's alright for now. I don't know. I think I'll grind that just a little bit smoother. Then put some more paint on it. Then we'll put it back on the tractor and put the good tire back on. Alright, that's enough for now.